Alright, here we go. I just got this Listen 9-foot umbrella from Amazon, and I'm getting ready to set it up. First time, so hope everything goes right. Slide it in there, tighten it just a little. That's easy enough. It's not very heavy, so hopefully won't have any problem. See that little silver button? I'm not sure you can see it, but that's what you got to push in. Snap right in place. And there we go. Pretty cool. Raise it up so you can see it a little better. Got it on selfie mode, but I got the red because I've got red chairs. Looks pretty cool. So, and going back down. Very easy. As you can see, pretty cool. We're having a graduation party out here on the 13th of May. So this is just part of our setup. Pretty nice. I can't measure it and hold the camera, but I think you can see how nice it looks. Pretty happy with it. And I think there is an adjustment here. I'm going to put it back down because I do believe you can angle it. Hope you have a little patience with me. Like I said, I haven't tried it. Alright. Here we go. There we go. Yeah, that was easy enough. Pretty cool. So, I want you to be able to see that too. Very awesome. Can you see it? There we go. I think you can see it. I really like it. Goes with my chairs really well. And as you can see, it was really easy to set up. And I think you'll like it too. Great price. Happy with it. Give it a try. It's on Amazon. Listen. Thanks.